Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful instant hijab. It's already together with your inner cap, so you just have to roll your veil and it's done. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy while I start off with the tutorial. So you'll be needing a 76 inches by 30 inches chiffon material, and what you'll be doing is that you will be hemming it round all the four sides and you set that aside. The next thing you will do is to start off with your inner cap. If you have not watched the video of how to make your own inner cap, I'll drop the link in the description. So here you just start with a wideness of 23 inches and the length of 17 inches. The wideness, this particular 23 inches is actually from the circumference of the head. The circumference of the head I'm working with is 21, so I just added 2 inches allowance there. I'll be folding it into 2 again, making it into 4 folding like you're seeing, yeah. So that I'll be having 11.5 inches by 17 inches. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be trimming off that very corner. I'll just trim it off. I just want something curved. You don't want a sharp edge or anything. You just curve it out. No measurement really. Then the next thing you do is that you have your your pin, your sewing pin and thread. Then starting from the tip, you just make a wide sewing, like maybe 1 inches, 1.5 inches wideness, depending. You just tack it, just as if you want to tack something. Tack it from the very tip end all the way down. So when you get to that very end, you place your measurement of the circumference of the head, and I'm going for 10.5. Depending on your fabric, if it is a very stretchy material, I can decide to remove half of an inch or anything, but for me the 10.5 inches is okay. Then you draw your thread and you make a knot that place so that it will secure the thread from losing. So after making the knot, your cap is ready. Yeah, your cap is ready. So the next thing is to mark where you start with your scarf. So the measurement I'm using here is from the back of your hair to the other back of your hair. For me it is in 16 inches, then divided by 2 will give me 8 inches. So what I'll do is that I'll place that 8 inches on my cap just the way I'm doing so, and at that very end I'll just place a pin to know the starting and the ending point. And I'll go ahead and set that aside. So on my scarf, I'll place 15 inches measurement on it to know where I'll start here as well, depending on your style, how long you want it to be, and the side you like rolling your scarf to. Some people like rolling theirs to the left, to the left. Some people like rolling theirs to the right. So anyone you want. So you mark your 15 inches and you use pin or anything to know where it's starting, and from that 15 inches, note this: the the wrong side of the cap and the right side of the scarf. Please note, wrong side of the cap and the right side of the scarf you place on each other, and starting from that first pin you put on your cap, you start by securing the scarf and the cap together with your pin, just to make it easier when you want to sew it. So you just use your pin to hold it down from one hand to the other hand. And what you'll be doing is that you take it to your sewing machine and you sew it along that place alone with maybe half of an inch or less than that. Just make sure it's not more than half of an inch to sew it down. And let me just say this, the hemming of your scarf should be very tiny, if probably 0.25 inches wide. So this is the style. You can use it to make a scarf, and you can use it to make it in a veil style. So this is the second style I'm making here, guys. As you can see, it's it's looking so beautiful and easy to use. And understand, like, it's already having this cap. Your cap is there, your scarf is there. You don't have to be looking for cap everywhere. It's already together. So guys, this will be all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you find this helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.